long term pa naman yung ano mo, yung ganung gamutan.
Grabe, sabi ko, hindi na ako ulit dito.
Baga may mga isasakripisyo ka para sa kanya.
Oo.
Isa pa yun.
Bigyan siya bulong.
Diba si, ano,
Ilang kilo gusto mo?
Ilan ako ni Rowena? Yung coordinator ng, kasi sumali kami sa grupo ng
Binigyan sa akin.
para, mutual na lang, ay, sasabihin nila ng plus. Ayoko na naman.
Okay lang.
Kaya doon kailangan kong sumali para, yun yung way ko, baka sakali makalibin ako ng kamang.
Wala ba dito yung mga kababayan, akak, yung mga gano'n?
Ay, sumali nga kami na
kayo.
dapat sa mayroon kaming ano, yung panunumpa, no?
Oo,
Hindi kami namin
Nalaman natin.
Mga babae binibigit.
Oo. Yan na yun. Direkta ko ni Rowena.
Mga babae
Tuloy mo itong mga requirements na to para, kaya baka sakali February, makakalibin ako.
Sino Rowena? Hindi, dalawa.
Hindi.
Ang dalawa.
Ano
May
yun?
tulungan siya. Oo, walang problema.
Tara.
Naman dyan, ulit tayo.
Okay na.
Ako hindi ako pwede opirada. Oy, pasa ko dyan ha. Alam niyo na.
Hindi, okay lang. Kami na lang.
Naman dyan. Uwiin tayo.
Hindi, mag-video lang naman.
Wala pwede opirada. Ay, wala pala. I-video na natin sila. Ay, sila kayo na ba? Tulong. Akala ko tutulong, pupunta lang tutulong magbuhat ng i-video pala. Hindi, mag-video si ano? Bilyagani sa ano, mag-video nga, hindi na lang ako.
Ilang taon na pala yung anak ng ginagamot? 18. Hindi, ilang taon na ginagamot? Nakadaya. Bago lang.
Ako lang.
Hindi ka dialysis.
Ano, hindi rin siya chemo. Ano siya, infusion ang tawag ko.
Good morning.
Pero ang proseso niya parang chemo. Good morning, Patrick. Parang chemo ang ano, ang proseso.
Ano naman, may ano naman, gagaling naman daw.
Yung sakit na yan, nasa sayo yan kung paano ko gumaling. Pero ang sakit na ganyan wala siyang cure.
Ano yun, Te?
Kailan, yung Crohn's. Wala siyang cure, pero maraming gumaling. Nasa sayo kung pa, Crohn's disease. Crohn's. Yung bituka. Hindi siya cancer. Ano siya, bacteria na nasa loob ng bituka mo. Yung inaano yung bituka mo. Pag hindi kailangan siyang gumutin para makontrol.
Painom kaya ng bayabas. Nakakagalaw.
Inainom ko ng bayabas. Alam mo ba, lalo siyang sumuka na. Kasi hindi kasi pwedeng, kung simpleng ano lang yan, acid, simpleng ulcer, simpleng ano lang yan, hindi siya, hindi naman kayo siya ulcer eh. Hindi siya, yung ano, kasi lang siya, okay, swimming nga kagabi.
Di ba yun?
Wala ako sa mga
Hindi, andito na.
Nagalang ko, magtagal talaga.
Ang galang balakang dyan.
Kailangan niya i-ano.
My God.
Ang galang balakang dyan.
Paulisan din pala. Yeah, dami.
May kanin?
Yes! May kanin na, may kanin.
Yan ang importante.
Tatabi natin o ganito.
Ito talong nyo.
Diretso, hindi lang po yung asawa niya.
Banda.
Ay, maraming puto. Ang dami puto. Ay, ang dami puto.
Kaya baka masabi ito.
Kata, dito? Hindi idugtong doon?
Opo, idudugtog. Okay.
Hindi doon?
Wala, hindi mo kaya yan. Isang kamay pa. Oo, kaya naban sa kami.
Ay, dugtong, dugtong.
Oo, padaan. Tayo muna.
Alam mo, blessing yan.
Ay, yan ang pagdikit na. Ayun na yung alam mo.
Ayaw naman yung nanay ko sa
Dahon. Fiesta, tayo, fiesta. Fiesta na. Good morning. Marami siya talaga. Sino kuha ng dahon? Matangkad ako. Ayan na yung halaman.
Ha?
Ano yung tagline mo?
Taglay na mangyari yan?
Kapamilya.
Kapatid, kapamilya, kapuso.
Ayun pala yun.
Ah,
Good morning.
good morning, all people.
All people out there.
Ito yung sugat.
Ayun, may bababang dahon dun. Oh. Ayan pala, kutsilyo. Ayan, kutsilyo.
Mamaya na. Kasi pag nilatag mo yan, may lalabas na din eh.
Iba talaga pag nauuna, no?
Oo.
Nauuna sa pre-taste.
Maghugas ka.
Ito may wipes, oh.
Ito mayroon na
May dilis din ako. Ispag doon kasi lang. Mas kumapit na yan. Para. Parang ginisan na yata. Oo, mabsak na. Ginisan niya sa ano. Matis. Pwede yan? Ako. Lagyan mo na dito.
Pagod ako dun ah.
Sundan niya niyang...
Sama ka ba?
Ay, nakakaya ako.
Mabigat. Ang alin?
Hindi naman ako pwede sasakay sa inyo, sabi mo nga.
Eh bakit ba naman? Eh tatlo na nga kami ni Joshua.
Hindi, yung pumunta kayo kay
Ayun,
Rita.
nahuli talaga sa Facebook. Di ba ano, admin dyan sa Facebook? Daming mga ano dyan. Buhay.
Madami doon, sa bilaan.
Nahuli tayo eh.
Siya hanggang dalawa lang naman kami.
Yung dalawa lang talaga yung nakalan nila. Pero ito si Joshua, tinatago ko yun sa gitna.
May dahon tayo ba? Mamaya, bukmo sila. Ay, maganda kasi may pipino, may okra.
Pero mamaya na natin i-set. Kasi malangaw. Hanggat ano, makaganyan.
Lalapit pa naman yan kasi andyan yung bago na.
Ay, natapon pa rin ano ng tissue. Ay, tissue. Hindi sa bagoong pala na ano kasi ito magilid. Oh.
Why? Tissue.
Oh, hawakan mo na nga. Mukha kang cellphone eh. Cellphone mo eh. Alam mo, cellphone ko lang.
Bakit ka naman pumunta doon?
Sinabi naman ni Madam na ano, ni Madam,
Pupunta kami doon kasi maglulun kami ng tira ni Duwin.
kayo.
Kita ang ano kasi lang Christmas party din nila ngayon.
Ay, sabay-sabay.
Oo. Baka kumuha na ng mga dahon. Hindi na ihintay mo taga. Walang pawis.
Kuya Emil. Wala kang tubig, wala akong lagay ng tubig.
Nagpapatagal-tagal si Kuya Emil ha?
Ha? May naalamang ako ah. Matapon yung ano ng alamang.
Ay, may pamunas pala akong dala.
Kanina pa naghanap ng pamunas, ngayon pala nabira.
Okay na itong dalawan. Milo? Ano yung kutsilyo? Kuya, ano naman yung kutsilyo? Ah, pamunas. Malinis yan. Ayun. Uy, ano ba yan? Kamansa pa naman. Huwag kang dumikit. Nilidikit ka kasi. Pamunas sa kabinet, alam ko to eh.
Daming ganito sa bahay kasi sa
Hindi, dito sa ano, dahon, punasan natin.
Punasan yung dahon. Ihaya lang ba yan? Ihaya yan? Pero ano, pahaba. Eh bakit kami pag naganyan na ito yung na ano kinakain namin? Kasi
Ayun na, ayun na.
Malinis. Sa ibabaw, alikabok.
Mga taga-Exodus.
Oo, dinala ko yan eh.
Matik yan, ano? Ayan mo?
morning.
Matik ba yan? At least.
Kuya, may asan na?
Nandito.
Ah!
Pag good niya, ako lang mag-isang nag-drive eh. Balikan eh.
Wala ako kurang estudyante.
Kaya lang meron ako ano. Oh, good. Meron ako ano yung picture. Isa pa?
Dalawa pa.
Dahon?
Yung sa kabila doon na sinasagay.
Oo.
Yan. Ikita natin sa gitna. Para kabila.
Kuha pa ako isa.
Meron pa natin dalawa. Ang dalawa. Yung dahon. Dalawa pa. Oo. Dalawa pa, Kuya Lan.
Yung ano nilalagay? Yung gayate.
Natanggalin siya.
Galing sa ano, itatawag ko baon-baon. Grade 1. Ay, grade 1. Lan?
Good morning, all people.
Yan na.
Oh. Diyan na yun. Ganyan na yun.
Ganito ako.
Oh, pwede. Exercise. Si Jojo, sumahalo nga sa amin.
Sino?
Anak ni Manang Mila pala yun.
Sino?
Si Jojo. Yung magka 5-6 dati nung araw. Anak pala niya.
Sali dito?
Ha?
Order.
Masali. Yung kainan yan, dito na eh.
Binigyan ako.
Ako sila nagdala. Tama lang yun eh. Stock pala yun. Nakakaawa.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, simula na tayo ha. Oh, bukas sa dito. Maraming sarapan. Ah, sige. Monday, red. Suotin yung red t-shirt.
Red?
Ah, red t-shirt time 1. May kaunti rin ano ito. Salo-salo. Kada may okasyon.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Ay, kasakit ako eh. Okay, nandito na ako eh.
Kala ko nga saan siya. May bisya ba kaya nun? Si Ate Helen yun. Yun din. Sakit niya. Bagay yata yun.
Buti nang balik normal. Sige, hindi ka pwede makasali.
Hindi, nakaganito ako. Sige! Bye-bye, Merry Christmas! Mandi na lang.
All you do is make sure you've got a really strong and stable core. The way you do that is simply to take your belly button. Draw it back towards the spine. You flatten up that deep muscle. Oh my goodness, that's it. You locked in your core, you're ready to move with big movements. That's where that power's coming from the middle. Here's 4, here's 3, here's 2. Walk, 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 walk. Good job, nice. All right, we're gonna move around already. Let's go. All ready to go. Carrie, Nikki, Nick, yes. Nice. 2 up, 2 back. So let's go, guys. Let's get in motion right away. It's 1 and 2. Just stretch your legs out. And move the furniture. It's gonna be a sweaty one. Yeah, it's gonna have a little room. And back. And 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. Back up and 1 and 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. And back. Let's do it again. One more time. Up and back. And right here, guys, pick up your feet a little bit higher. Open up. We'll go right into kickbacks. Give me 4 more. Here's 4 and 3 and 2. Now a kickback. All you left heel. Hamstring curl. Good. Allow the arms to just relax for now. We're getting muscle warm. We're getting a little juice in the joints. You want to feel good in a full range of motion. The body will be like when you move a lubrication as they warm up. That's how you feel so good. When you're in that full range, that big flexible movement.
Inayos namin doon.
Back to more. Let's walk. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Walk tall. Pump the arms a little bit now. Every like 30 seconds, you go more.
Ipuntahan mo ako. Sakay ako sa inyo. Hindi ako.
Come on.
Sakay ka na lang ng ano? Tama mo yung ano?
Four and 3 and 2. Tight tummy and in. Get that leg up there a little bit higher now. Just a bit. Let the arms come toward the feet. That's it. You can feel body temperature is raising. It only takes a few minutes to warm up safely. And then we're ready to just take off and move as strong as you want.
Sayaw na sayaw din yan sa stress nila.
Nice.
Papractice sila ng sayaw. Hindi na stress nila.
Two more kicks here. 1
Si Will, kagabi, daanan nila.
Nice.
Daanan nila.
Boosted walking, you know it. I love it. I'm gonna say you love it, but you know, we all know the benefit. It's so awesome to take the body into a work phase and a recovery phase. We're doing it right now. Hey guys, real life, start a gentle jog. Yeah, start a gentle jog. Good. I know, just You know, if there's any reason somebody says, hey, I cannot get in the high impact, I want to show them. You keep going. I'm going to show. You stay on the higher impact. When you cannot do high impact, do this. Blow out that air. Okay, now. I'll come up with you. You go right ahead. We're going to take that forward. In place four. Ready? Let's go. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. In place right here. Go 4, 3, 2. Come on up for 4, guys. 4, 3, 2. In place 4, 4, 3, 2. Back it up. Let's go. Hey. 4, 3, 2. In place for 4. Almost to recovery. Okay, guys. Recovery. Go down. Heel. 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 Go. Heel. Blow out that air. Blow. Empty your lungs out a lot. Help your body adjust. 8 more counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Little gentle. Here we go. Gentle. Gentle jar. There you go. 4 back. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. In place. Let's go. 4. Go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 in place. 4, 3. Back up. Here we go. 4. Good. In place. 4, 3, 2. And up on those. 4, 3, 2. In place. 4. Recovery. Ready. Down. Woo. Woo. How'd that feel? Yeah. Nice. Here we go. That's it. Fast walking burns a bunch of calories. So good. Walk, walk, walk. I always need that few seconds to get my pace, get my speed, get my beat. 5, 4, 3. Nice, nice, nice. Hey guys, let's start a little bounce with me. Bounce to the beat. Bounce. Hey, arms like this. Arms, arms, arms. Just 75. Come on. 4, 3.
Parang may laway. Bulisin.
Last set, everybody. Side step 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bounce. Oh, we're done. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Yeah. Nice, guys.
Nalabas pa lang yung wasiga natin. Ulanan pa.
To the front. Turn it right to the screen and go. All we're going to do is do a little lighten up on your feet. Your hip comes forward and back. We're going to add some punch. Hold one arm strong. And go right ahead. Extend the arms into a little punch. Come on. Go punch. Punch. Every time the hip comes forward, punch. Punch. Serve. 8 more. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Does this feel like a little surfboard, huh? Woo. Somebody that stand up paddle? No, not yet. You start. Okay, you start. Good, good, good. Come on, what is that, Leslie? 4, 3, turn the hips. Good. Just a little shift. So get my arm. Here it comes. Shift your leg. Let's go. Go. Yeah. One arm strong for the anchor. Go, Nick. Get ready for the punch. Here it comes. Ready? We're punching now. Punch. Extend the arm. Straight out. Straight out. One arm strong and hold you stable. The other one's flying. Go. 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 How about just 4 more little ones? 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Nice. I really feel good. Wow, that heart rate is up. That's when the body's getting so challenged and burning a ton of calories. The muscles are active.
Punta kayo na magbakalaw.
Nice. Yes. Come on.
Bawal mapagod.
Rock yourself healthy. You're doing it. Let's get a little more cardio in. Hip up, feet, 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 feet. Let's give it a little stretch, guys. Inhale. Exhale. Good. This is a nice time in the workout to even get some full range of motion, lengthen the body. Let's do it one more time. I love it. And then big, deep breathing, too. while those feet are moving. Oh, I love it. Hey, a little backstroke. Just take your arms and throw them back. Nice. Like that. It's just a big range of motion. That's what I love. I love to feel good in that full range. Ooh, last two, last two. All right, now just a walk. Good. Open up feet, kick bounce. Okay, lift the heel, hamstring curl. Lift the heel, there you go. Hamstring initiates the move. Sit into it, guys. Talk to those thighs. Come on, fire them up. There you go. Nice. We're gonna move around a little with kickbacks. 4 counts forward. There you go. 3 and 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Extend the arms. Keep them there. 3 and 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Come on forward. Here we go. 4, 3 and 2. Back up. You are activating core muscle just by throwing those hands to the front. Here we go. Now start the arms. 4. Pull back up. 4, 3. One more time. Forward. Back it up for 4, 4, 3. Walk. You got that. Good. Nice. All the muscle in all the directions. I love it. Hey guys, step and tap. You're gonna step and tap 2 times forward, 2 times back. Get the path of motion first. 3 and 4, 4, 3. My leg didn't want to go yet. Now it does. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. There we go. We got it. Step, tap, step, tap. It's step, tap, step, tap. Now, step and tap. Get the path of motion going first. You feel good knowing what you have to do with your feet, right? Like that. Anytime you want, add a knee lift, guys. Anytime. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. Hey, step, knee. Yeah, there you go. Lift. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. You got it. Step, knee, step. Hit it. Oh, nice. That is just, that's the way. This is the way. You got it. Oh, Carrie, go, my girl. Woo. Do I love that? Carrie's got the bounce, honey. Nice. Step, knee, last one. Hey, come on back. Walk. Wow. There you go, Walker. Ready to go. Nice. Hey guys, let's go right back to kickbacks. Open up the feet, open up. We're gonna do 4 kickbacks and 4 knee lifts to the front. Watch it first. Join us when you're ready. Ready? Let's do kickback now. Here's 4, 3, 2. Now lift the knee, so bring it up. The feet stay wide. Go back to kickback. Go. 4, 3. All right, now your arms go to your hips. Knees. Now kick back to 4, 3, 2. Knees, hands here. Hands. Good. Kick back. Go. 2, 3. Here's arms. 1, 2, 3. Kick back. 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Hands, hips. Last time. Kick back. 1 and 2, 3. And that's it. Walk. Whoa! Good. Can't get enough. Come on. Power walk. Extend arms way up and all the way down. All the way up. All the way down. Real strong, real long, real lean. I love that. It feels so long and tall. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. Back stroke. Back. Range of motion. Come on. 8, 4, 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3. I love when we sweat together. Because I can just feel my sweat. I love it. Keep walking, everybody. Feels so good. Yeah. Come on. Power walk now. Yes. And step taps moving. Give me 4, 3, 2. Step tap, everybody. Step tap. Anytime. Knee. Anytime. Go. Hey. Good job. Blow out that air. And all the way back. One more time. Up. You got it. And back to a walk. Always to a walk. Hey guys, we're going to do 4 side steps. So, everyone at home, you want to get off to the side? 4 side steps this way. 4 side steps that way. We're going to get those legs moving. Ready? Let me get my pace. I hear it when my foot doesn't land on that beat. I need Let's speed, speed, speed. It's here. Go ahead, let's go. There we go. It's a 4, 3. I got it this time. We're going now. Out together, out together, out together, back. Out together, out together, out together, back. Out together, out together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2.
Galing nga eh, baka mabayaran ko.
You need your balance on this.
Balance pa.
Nice.
Kaya nagpipenta ng lobby sa green light.
Here we go, guys. Kick. Kick strong. Now really, lock in your belly. Belly button toward the spine. Beautiful alignment. I want your back to be long and tall. Your core to be stable. Reach for your feet. Reach. Power. Kick. Go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk. You did that. Arms up and up. Ready? We're going now. Up and up and up and up. Let's go. And 7, 6, 5, 4. Real strong, real long. Come on, stretch out. Reach up, stretch out. Walk. Nice. 4 counts up, 4 counts back. Big walk, your pose. 4, 2, back up. Good. Toward the screen. Come toward the screen. 3, 4, back up. Go. It's just a fast walk. Go. 2, 3, and 4. I love the stretch out on my limb. I love it. 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, back up. 4, 3, 2. Good job. 2, 3. Work on 4. 2, 3. Last time up. Go. I like to feel a little wind in it, you know? Walk easy, walk, guys. And a power walk. Nice. And go. That heart rate is strong. It's where you need it to be. To have a strong heart, stronger lungs, improved muscle tone, stronger bones. Everything that's healthy when you speed walk, when you fitness walk, you're doing it today. Come on.
Ayan mag-asawa, Bishop, good morning. Good morning, Bishop.
You are walking yourself healthy.
Good morning.
You're walking yourself healthy. Yes, you're walking yourself absolutely. Three, 4, 5 times a week. That's what I want you to do. 4, 3. Walk. Whatever you do. If you want to maintain good health, I think 3 times a week are going to be strong for you. If you want to lose weight, 4 or 5 fitness walks a week, I know you're going to say, I love how this feels. I love the results. Up high, let's go. Up and up and up and up. This is a fitness system to get you results. It's not a fitness walk. I don't know, just a recreation. I think that's healthy for you though. When you want to go out and walk around the neighborhood, please do it. It's so healthy. And I promise you, this is the type of walking that gets you results. 4, 3, 2, walk, arms are down, arms down. Power walk. Wow. Strong. All the basics are so good. And you know, I love to end a real basic session with this. And that's high intensity. Your feet just started going. High intensity interval training. I call it boosted walking. We're gonna work and we're gonna recover. It's so efficient in giving you a big high calorie burn. So let's do it, everybody. 4 counts back. 4 in place. 4, 3, ready, back up, let's go. 4, 3, 2, in place. Stay here, guys, stay here. 4, 3, 2, here it comes up, here we go. 4, and 3, and 2, in place for 4, 4, 3, 2, back up, let's go. Oh, I'm coming with you, I'm coming with you. Everybody, come on, all alone up there. You know what? I don't want to be all alone up there all the time. I gotta be that cool. Four and 3, recover, ready? Here we go, recover. Touch your knee back. Blow out that air. Nice. I just went for a little visit. Oh my gosh, I just felt like visiting. Thanks, you're welcome, come back. Yeah. How nice when you're welcome back. Few more guys. Gently start a little boost. It's a boosted walk. Pick up the feet. It's gentle jogging. We're going back 4. 4 in place. 4 and 3 and ready. Back it up. I love the back up muscles. Woo. And 4. I gotta go 4, 3, 2. Back up muscles. 4, 3, 2. Come on, you're strong. Ready? Back up. Let's go. 2, 3, 4 in place. 4, 3, 2. Come on up. 4, 3, 2. That's the way. And activity strong. 2, 4. Back up. And 4 right here. 4, 3. Last time up, everybody goes. And 2, 3. We go. 3. Come on. Blow on that air. Go. We gotta take a few seconds. Nice. Hey. I'll take that beat. There we go. That's it, serious. Let's just go with that. That's it. Nice, everybody. Blow out that air. Feels so good. Catch the beat a little bit faster. Just a bit. Walk, 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 walk back. Walk, 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 walk. Tap out. Everybody, tap out is coming. Ready? 4 more counts. 4 and 3 and 2. Tap out. Don't I say it like it's a visitor coming? Like, you know, somebody's coming to visit. It's tap out. Tap, tap out. Tap out. Hey guys, follow your feet. Here we go. Hey. Stand up. Here we go. And keep it nice and long. Sit down into it. Extend the leg. Come on, move on our legs. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You got it. Arms up and out. Arms up and out. Let's go. And up. And up. Just and up. 4, 3, 2. Arms down. Power up. Power up. Yeah. Very good. And just let it go. And kick back. 4, 3. Ready. Kick back. You sit down in and hamstring curl. Raise those hands to heaven. This is really the time to be so thankful for your good health. You're so strong. You're in the 5th mile. Get ready to cool down, everybody. Ready? That's it. Every time I throw my hands up, I think how grateful I am. Yes. Come on. 4, 3. Just give me 4 more from here. Let's go. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Yes. Grateful I am for good health in my life. So grateful that I can help you make healthy choices. So grateful that I have these beautiful friends with me. And I thank you all so much, guys. I just love everyone here. So the 2 back. I know you've seen them in the other walk and home workouts. They've really become our friends, and I'm sure for you all too. Come on, fast feet, fast feet. 2 and 1 and 2. Good. 1 and 2 and back. 2. Come on, go. It feels so good to make a good choice today. You know, I know what's going to happen today, though. You decided to walk. You did a big 5-mile walk, and you're going to make good choices in your meals today. I just know it. It happens naturally. One good choice always leads to another. I just know it. My Just singles, here they come now. Knees and knees. Hands to the hips, here we go. That's nice. Raise them high, raise them high. Nice, yeah. Raise them high. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. We got it, nice. Double side steps. 4, 3, double. And here we go. Step out 2 times. Come back. 2, okay. Open toes. Open toes. Go, go, go. Yes, God. Good feeling. Good feeling. Out together, out together. Doing this. Out together, out together. Change the reach, reach, reach. Come on, strong to the end, strong to the end. 1, 2, 1, 2. Last time, just walk, just walk. Walk. Kicks are coming, strong kicks. Nice, everybody. Ready? Just kick right here. Kick. Don't sit down. Good. Real strong. Nice. And kick. Reach for those feet. Come on. Reach. 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 5, 6. Walk, 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 walk. You got it now. Up together, up together. On this one, your brain has to start coming down. Out together, out together. Way in the beginning. Mile 1, you had your warm-up walk. Gradually built your heart rate up. We kept it high for a long time. Now this is where the heart rate is breathing. Come back to normal. You want to get your heart rate down to where it was. Back to the first round. 4, 3, 2. Just an easy walk, guys. Just easy. Two back. All you do is walk. Very gentle. 2. Good.
Ayan na pula.
Ayan na.
Ate Ellen?
Down. 2. Last time. Up. And 2. And down. Just easy walk. Wow. Isn't that amazing? It's scary. Let's just pretend. Susie, Betsy, Marvin, Wendy. I'll tell you, it's my dream team. They're my dream team. Walking with you, I love you. Very gentle. Kick right back, ball. And so do. Kick. Nice and easy kick. And kick. And kick. And kick. Good. Easy kicks. Blow out that air. You already feel like you're getting your breathing back to normal. Heart rate is going good. Is that a good sign of fitness? Wow. When you recover fast, it means you're strong. You are strong. Now, don't worry though. If you're just kind of getting used to exercise on a regular basis again, and you're trying to just get your good endurance back, that heart rate will start to adjust. You'll see that fitness happens naturally. You don't have to be worried about it or anxious. Just keep showing up for your walks. And it just happens. You get a better life. You get a healthy life. I never want to be without my walking program. Never, never, never. As long as I'm blessed to live, I want to keep walking strong. Okay. Nice and easy walks, guys. Nice and easy. Hold up those feet, guys. Here comes the stretch. Bend your knees. Tight tummy. Reach way out there. All the way down. All the way up. Halfway down, and we're closing up. Close up. Stretch across the back. Open up. Stretch across the front. And let's go one side. Just reach high. You don't have to tip over too much. Just real long on the side. Real long. And the other side. Real long. Nice job, everybody. Turn to the side. Heel into the floor. Nice stretch for the calf. Lean forward. All right, now take your chest down toward your thigh. You can put your hand on the thigh for support. Go a little deep, guys. You're going to get into the hamstrings. Low back. Very nice. All the way down the leg. Blow out that air. We're going up. Turn to the other side. Same thing. If you put the heel into the floor, and then just a little adjustment there so you're sure you have a good stretch in your calf. So turn your chest toward the thigh. You can put your hand on your thigh for supporting back. That's it. Allow that air out. Blow out. Come toward the thigh, and you've got a nice deep stretch. To the back of the thigh. Hold it 4, 3, 2, come on back out of that one more time. Big inhale.
Oh, tatlong tugtog pa bago kain.
Nadala sa ano nadala sa Marikes. Ang daming pusa.
Mga pagkain. Hihintay mga pusa. Miming! Miming, miming, miming! Tumilay. Miming!
Tara naman, ulan na nga.
Mga Emil, pwede ka sa tawag ng tanggalan.
Ay, peki.
Ay, nakita yun.
Ang laman, 20 piraso.
Pwede ka sa tawag ng tanggalan.
Kakanta na amo na nga.
Lalo mo.
Ano kakatay mo?
Ay, dala na.
Yan na. Umpisa na tayo.
I believe.
Ano kakatay mo? I believe?
I believe.
I believe.
I believe daw. I believe daw.
May nanalo na sa tawag ng tanggalan. Wala pa Pinocchio.
Dala nila yung ano.
Meron goma?
Oh, nawala.
Meron, may goma pa akong siya.
activities and more.
Baka malaglag tong
Masayaw?
Hindi na aral, hindi pabigyan ko. Oo. Baka malaglag tong
Ay, boy, boy. Oh, ang bang kampiyon.
Lagi ko na original.
Para kayo hindi napapagod.
Every time I miss, almost my knees. Oh, say the sky does not know why. Only every time I will take a
Pang Monday.
Christmas party ngayon? Wala.
Mamaya alas
Ano tayo? Ano makauwi na?
pero pinakamarami sa ako.
Ba't parang humina yata?
Grabe yung tao, hindi tayo matuto magsayaw dito. May quiz ni Rowena naman ngayon, ikaw kahapon. Yan ba sasalawin niyo, Wen? Christmas party niyo? Wow. Walang naman. Puro nga rin siya. Puro siya. Ay! Sunod na lang kayo kay Rowena. Alam mo, pagtinitingnan ko sa video. Natatawa. Oo. Hindi na naman kasi ang tugtog. Lakas-lakas at wala na eh. Ano sa'yo? Mahina yung record. Matangina ng tugtog. Recording daw. Recording.
Mahina talaga.
Nagabayo. Sa recording niya daw. Nagabayo ka. Ganyan. Swerte eh. Bayo!
Wala ano, todo na eh.
Sa ano yan lang?
Sa video.
Yan eh, sa video yan. Sa tog o.
Wala, tawa! Maganda naman yan. Sunod na Monday. Oh, wala na.
DJ Ahmed. DJ Ahmed. DJ Ahmed. DJ Ahmed.
What's up?
Siya na mag-isa, si Mang Emil.
Sasayaw.
Tayo kakain.
Kami, bahala ka dyan.
Ayaw ko sa kanila.
Lord.
Oh, pray. Pray na. Bishop, pray. Pray muna tayo.
Sound check, sound check. Sound check.
Teka lang, sandali lang. Wala mo nakakain, ha?
Pray muna.
Bukas muna kayo ng kamay nyo.
Dito lang talaga tayo kasi maulan na.
Doon may gripo ron, no? May gripo ron.
May tubig
Bukas na ako
yan.
Excuse.
Hindi ko tinamihan na.
Magpipray muna si Pastora.
As pastora ba?
Pastora. Hindi pa po, ano.
Hello.
Parang na ng sabaw yan.
Sige, let us pray. Panginoon, salamat Panginoon sa pagkain na aming kansalo sa luha. Ay po, Father God, na pinasmasan niyo po. Magkaroon ng asa ng pagkakuha. Maraming bagay sa Panginoon. Thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Ilang parang kayo gamisa.
Dito kaya.
Oo, dito, oh, ganda. Para masagad na.
Bubuhat natin, sige. Oh, pwede. Umaga.
Hindi na daw.
Ah, hindi na?
Wala na yan, mawawala na yan. Wala kayo. May isa. Pahingi. May pahingi. Tapos na po. Oh, vlog. Limited order. Patrick! Yan, nag-ready na sila. So, shine. Rain or shine. Shine or rain. Rain or shine. Kuya, Joy. Go, go. Okay lang ka. Gusto ko. Okay ka na. Wala kayo lahat.
Huwag ka nang dyan.
Oh, magkano kayo? Blind lang. Ayun, bravo. Uy, kuya. Ay, nasa na yung ito na alat magdala ko. Kay Marley. Nagpagaling ka lang sa asa na ito ko maalat. Oo nga, nasa na yun? Wala naman yung hindi. May dala siya. Ano ka ba? Sabi ko na, yun ang gusto ko ulam eh. Ito na. Ayun! Sino nagtago?
Oh, tinago ko. Ano ba tinago? Bagoong?
Pakainin mo.
Huwag kayo mahiya, ha?
Baby, yung kutsilyo mo. Kutsilyo? Kuya na na, kapos na. Ito may hotdog. Taga-video, ayaw kumain. Ala, umuulan! Ano ka naman? Wala, nasa bawa na ito. Sabawan. Ayun na pagkain yung papa. Ayun, ano yan? Opo. Yan. Oh, doon kayo ni papa mo silong. Yun ang ano. Hala. Yan yung kanin dito. Ano na nangyari? Ay, pag-uupo.
Kain tayo.
Dito ako sa dulo, hindi lang sa'yo. Lagyan ko na. Magpapawit, magkinain. Tapos na po.
Nakatayo. Makaupo, may pakong pansan. Dito yung kakilala. Pag nalagdag ang kanin sa ulo, doon ka kakain lalim. Ang ulam mo, flying fish. Ang tinik. Nalagdag ang pansan. May pansan sa ulo. Kain ako sa lalim.
Hindi ako makagalaw eh. Sabisig na ako. Hindi ako makagalaw. 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 Hindi ako makagalaw.
Mataas na ito, tumba ulit. Mawawala sa inyo niya. Walang sakit ko. Exercise. Parang nandito, no? Lulok. Sakit, ang lanyo. Yan, mahina sa bahay kumain yan. Ano ito, lakas. Wala na kasali.
Sabi pa lang nakuha kong tubig. Magbubukas ako.
Hindi yan, di ba? Diba, Judy? Yan.
May kaano ka ba? Alam mo, hindi mo malusok yung ano. Pero ang positive na kakain ka.
Ano, pwede ba magkaroon?
Ano ba yun, Sharon? Bilis nila yan. Walang kumilig. Sayang. Kuya, saan siya nakasilong doon? Meron pa tayo Monday. Ay, nag-year-end party pa tayo sa 28 Ayun na, muna na naman. Magpantay ka nito. Ito ulit.
Paano umulan? Parang di maulan. Dagat tayo.
Birthday nila. Birthday niya.
Paano ba tayo? Pantang ba?
Ay, parang si Ate Bea. Sabi niya, ako daw nagtoto, ba't daw may ipin? Sabi ko, pag anong sa baboy pala. May baboy yun. Ang dami. Saan itong dala, oh?
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Is it all that you can see every cup that tries to stop? Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas spirit Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. The halls of bells are holly, rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new
Ganyan niluto. Tama siya? Mga bali. Ay, malamig. Ay, kapag nagluto. Buhulan, boy.
Kambales?
Produkto yan sa inyo, boy. Kalamay. Kalamay. Ito, kabayo ba? Kabayo yan? Kanila yun. Kabayo talaga yan. Ayaw ko ng kabayo.
Malapit na yun kasi Kambales.
Ang ginagawa.
Lagot yun.
Magbayaw.
Baka kayo mga Gen Z, mag-LU. LU kasi may kimikan pa paggabi eh.
Agyo.
Naku, sarap nun.
Ito, mag-soft drinks kayo.
Decided to go walking the snow. I was holding hands, places to go. Seems like there are ways in love. Santa, can you hear me? Still with the kiss. I send it off and just said this. I know exactly what I want this year. Santa, can you hear me? Oh, baby, baby. I'm so
Tama-tamis lang.
Christmas Eve, I just couldn't sleep. Would I be wrong for taking a peek? 'Cause I know that you're coming to town. Santa, can you hear me? I really hope that you're on your way. Something special for me in your sleigh. Oh, please make my wish come true. Santa, can you hear me? I want my baby, baby. I want someone to love me, someone to hold me, baby, baby. Baby, oh my Lord, on the mistletoe. Santa, can you hear me? I've been so good this year, and all I want is one thing. Tell me my true love is you. I don't need no Christmas tree. I'll be in here. Reaches you time. Bring me love, I can come around.
Okay na kayo sa tatlo. Eh, ba't ako bumili ng piraso pinsin na?
Oh! Kayo na tatlo!
Can you hear me? I have been so good this year, and all I want is one thing. Well, he's home just for me underneath my Christmas tree. I'll be waiting here, Santa. That's my only wish this year. Santa, that's my only wish this year.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Fun it is to sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Day or two ago, thought I'd take a ride. Soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. Horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his thought. Ran into a drifted bank, there we got upshot. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle all the way.
Mura na yun. 90 sa amin.
It is to ride
Mingming!
Ah, may dalang pagkain, ha?
Ano yung dami nito? Naibigay ko na sa kanila.
Timbahin ko yan. Nasa gitna. Alin? Hindi ko na gusto kaya. Sarap na yun. Gas na. Hindi ko mawari na may sip. Meron talaga. Ayaw. Ang dami no.
Oh, wala na ulan. Sasayaw na. Magkakaul. Ano na tawag doon? Appendix kayo yan. Ah, kakanta. As per Pinocchio. Hilale. Aba, si Mang Rene, babanat. Woo! Pwede na tawag tanggalan. Lalo kasi. Maya na ba? Nag-imbita si Kawad. Ah, ako hindi ka kumain ng kanin. Kamoting kahoy. Hindi mo? Ako dati ganyan din. High blood ako, 180 over 100 ako. Pero nakuha sa ano? Lolipit. Sa gabi kayo inom. Huwag sa umaga. Oo, ganoon talaga. Makakalumot ka. Sa umaga kakain ka. Butas muna.
Di ba, boy? Puso sa puso dyan.
Waiting round this bed.
Oh, tagay. Tagay.
Bottoms up. Ang init eh.
Ano tawag? Kampay pala, kampay sa Japan. Kampay.
Bumili naman lalo ang kuya mo.
Oh, batak na lang. Kampay, mga tumadera.
Meron mag-water ah. Make me
Baka tayo kumain sa restaurant mamahali, may singer pa. Magbigay kayo ng tip.
Thank you po na sa fine dining ha. Kumakanta ka, baka makain ka kayo ah.
Didigan yun na, ikaw sunod na. Pagbago.
I'm crossing you in style. Oh, dream maker, your heartbreaker. There's such a lot of words to see. Waiting round the bend, my very friend.
Sino next? Oh! Ano nga title?
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ano ba? Hindi ko pa na...
Request ko yung dalawa.
Ano nga?
Sa lili ka, di ba? Ang video.
Pero meron kang ano doon.
Hindi ka pa pala. Dali. Kasi magkagala ka din na papalagay. Talaga ka na.
From champions in sports to champions in life, bring out the champion with Milo.
Pero yung dalawang available na ba?
Oh, I can't let go. Iba na lang.
Ano? Kay Spirit you tonight ah!
With my love, why have you with me tonight? I will end with you for a little while. But I love him the same way I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight.
'cause tonight I only feel my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be into places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in the places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Thank you.
Next song, sino next? Next! Sino next? Kanta! Ha? Ano po? Anong kanta? Ano? Mga Bisaya.
Hello. Iko naday, iko naday. Pasig ako umamatay. Iko ang pagpaalos mo. Sa itong it's a better place namin. Kalipay mo ba? Ako please love me, girl, please love me down. I need you, kiss and love it. Balik na day, balik na day. Pagbalik ni mga talaan, magkahapdos, magkahapdos. Gawin ko na kalipay mo pa ito. Magkakbo please love me, girl, please love me. I need you, please love me, girl. Balik na day, ang balining mga igo na tayo, igo na tayo. Ito sabi ng duyan, say-sayang akong nalalaman. Napag-usapan, ito walang lagi, may sampung tindahan sa basahan. Ng kalibitong gata, ito ay nag-uupuan, ang ilang silbuki sa sabay. Nabuhay ang kanya, ito ay nilibisnis ang pag-usapan. Nilibisnis ang labis, walang kulang. Ang kabuhay ng kapwa yung sisilo, kung unang lumutay,
Huwag ka mag-alaw, papauwi sa'yo dito.
Ala, si Edwin, okay. Belan, ay kayo na ito.
Ayun, mamaya. Yes.
I love you daw, I love you.
I love you.
Tinitin lang yung sinabi ni Pastor.
Yan, si Lindy yun?
May puti. May puti.
Wow! That's her the seer pa!
Ayaw niyong ibalot ha?
Ako na nalo.
Walang gusto.
Walang gusto ng
Support ka dito. Support ka dito. Ilang may yelo. Ayan o, yelo. Yelo. Woo! Ano ba rin naman naman?
I must be missing now. Maybe I did too much. That made me think of you. I long to feel you touch. To be still in your dreams.
Marne.
Where mine, I was like to go back to the very first day I saw you. You had me falling when you looked in my eyes. Just by now you know you feel that I do. And I whisper this moment in my
Dapat niyago nyo. Dapat natago nyo. Gagayahin tayo ng mga kabataan dito. Ano bang bahas na ito? Ano ito? Gagayahin tayo ng mga kabataan dito. Walang sabi.
Ilagay daw yun.
Okay lang yun?
Oo.
Hello.
Siya nga nag-request. Ilagay daw doon.
Okay lang to?
Oo. Tingnan niya. Sabi ko, tingnan mo.
Hindi kami taga rito eh.
Ano, ito.
If you do, just reach out and love me there. I love you. Listen, you love me too. And the words they could change your life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Oh, I love you. You say you love me too. Please, say you love me.
Try mo na yan. Type mo. Maybe. Press mo muna yan. Hindi kami marunong. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. Kay Sarah Geronimo. Hindi daw uwi. Hanggang hindi kumanta. Kumanta ko na.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ng iba man ang Pasko this year, gawing special pa rin ang handaan with Ladies' Choice.
Ayan, yun na lang. May sakit ka ba? Oo, susi mo na yan. Meron naman ako.
Nakarami na. Ayan, naiwan na dito. Sumuko, kuya yung sumuko. May pusapi, oh. Anong title? Baby Desta. Ah, kaya mo? Kanta.
About the place we have been.
To all sweetheart.
All the hours
to know someday they meet again and have a world. Reminiscence, maybe this time.
more than just friends.
This back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love more than it's the same old feeling back again. It's the one day I way back when
We were too young to know in love.
somehow some things never change,
And every time has it called the flame.
it's a burning even bright. I get another chance and everything this time I love and find. Maybe now this can be more than just friends. This back in this life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, no more. I like it yesterday, but then the feeling like what when this time, but something came in, waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time, maybe now we can be more than just friends. Ah, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, love one.
Ang dami ko nagbuhat ng lamisa. Kanta, kanta. Ay, uwian na. Christmas party pa kami. May kang party kayo? O, yung asawa ko sa trabaho. Thanks. Salamat.
Hoy, di ako pwede makasakay sa'yo?
Handa si Joshua.
Bakit dito lang naman na?
Pilit niya ako kumanta. Kakanta pa siya.
Sino?
Si Beer.
Ah, ay kakanta pa daw si Angel.
This is how we made our workflow better than ever with Monday.com.
Patrick pala.
Nais kong mapakalasing.
Tumadera!
Wala ka lang kamay, Ate Pe. Kaya mo na kanila.
Wow naman, ganda ng boses.
Oo.
aking kasalamuha at nag-iisa.
Ba't nag-iisa ka?
Nakataling pa rin ako. Ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho, mga anak at bahay nating pinaplano, lahat ng ito'y nawala na, iniwan mo ko. Ngayon, ibuhos na ang tear sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Bawat kata, anong sarap, ano ba talaga ang gusto ko? Ang pag-ibig nais kong mapakasabot may oras ako kahit ano hihit-hipit kahit tambotso kukuha ko ng beer at ipapakulo sa kaldero na nakapit ang osok ito. Lahat ay aming gagawin bago natin isa lang ako. Huwag na ang beer sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Bawat kata, anong sarap, ano ba talaga ang gusto ko? Ina to ang pag-ibig ko. Ang anak ko.
Ask Judy.